Here's Inky. You want to know how Lando survived 8 years on the streets? There you have it. Irrigation lines. Drip irrigation. I'm sure behind the grocery, well, they had them behind the grocery store until they effed them all up, but there you go. Obviously my landscaper hit one of the tubes under the ground, so it's squirting up in the air, but I seen him licking the other drips underneath the bushes. Because one day I thought he was eating something. I'm like, what the hell are you eating? I go over there, he's licking a drip.